Dead Horse Point.
Okay.
And it's like a 45-minute drive, so I wanted to leave early. So we will definitely be there when the sun comes up.
Okay.
And
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.
we were supposed to wake up at 4, but Johnny woke me up and said it's 4:40, and then fell back asleep. It's so hard to wake up. I feel dead.
Stars are the best.
The stars are the best part. Don't
Okay.
get a hotel, and if you camp, then the stars are so beautiful, and you can see the Milky Way clearly. It's so beautiful.
Okay. Catch you later. It's really pretty, huh?
Oh, the pictures only show that. Why don't they show the rest?
Hey, where are you going?
There's a perfect spot.
What? Can't hear you.
There's a good spot right there.
Okay. Hey. Glitter face.
Just finished filming.
Where are we?
My boss isn't always my favorite, but I still love him.
Where are we?
Dead Horse Point.
Wait, it's beautiful, huh?
Yeah. There's not that many people here.
I know, right?
So I don't know if it's people don't really know about it, or they're like, oh, it's not Horseshoe Bend, so I won't go. But it looks very similar to that. Lightning McQueen made this walkway.
Okay.
You don't get it.
So we're going to the lookout over there.
Johnny, what are we doing?
Oh, we're going to see dinosaurs. Jurassic Park.
Wow.
You put sunscreen on my lips.
They look fine.
Do you not want my lips to be tanned?
No.
So we changed our mind.
It's $22 to go see dinosaur statues and watch videos about dinosaurs. And it's cheaper to go into the national park and go to the fiery furnace. It's $6 to get a permit for that, but $22 per person to go look at dinosaur statues and go to a gift shop. So, yeah. As much as I would love to look at dinosaurs, we're gonna go.
Going this time?
The fiery furnace.
Fiery furnace.
We just listened to Fire in in flames.
Are you ready to get lost?
Yep.
Because we're gonna get lost for sure.
This is exactly what they told us it would be like.
Okay. It's narrow. Let's go. Follow these arrows. Is it a dead end again? Okay. Alright, let's go the other way. Let us fragile crumble right now. Fall.
That's what he's been saying all morning.
Look at you. Look at those huge rocks piled on each other. Huh. Look at that.
Oh no, it's gonna fall on me.
Wow, there's steps. Spider girl. How long have we been hiking?
I don't even know. But
We're still lost.
an hour.
An hour? We're still lost. We don't know where we are.
Somebody had an app for this, so it would be smart. But the point is to get lost.
Look at those big rocks.
Adventure is me.
Report what's going on.
No idea. We're lost.
I think we're in the middle section. I think it's all sand.
Landmark based on those mountains right there.
Huh. No, I think it's just crazy. Uh-oh. He is tired.
I'm so tired. This place is huge.
I know.
It's so long.
Yes, we finally made our way back. Or I think we did.
Don't speak so soon.
Oh, it's really windy.
It's so nice. The gateway.
Tell us what happened.
We went to hell. We came back. It was so hot and sandy, and all the arrows were pointing this way. And Johnny's like, no, let's go that way. So I'm following the Filipino in me.
Okay. We made it. Woo!
Well, we made it to something.
Yeah.
We may have to walk to the car for a long time, but
Yeah. Well, we can't find our way out, so we're gonna have to climb up there. Mountain climbing time.
we're alive.
We made it. So what can you say?
I look like a ghost because my sunscreen has zinc oxide.
Would you do it again? No,
I don't know.
I wouldn't do it.
Well, we also definitely picked the worst time. It's really hot. It's like 1 p.m. right now. So I'd choose.
You do get lost.
You do get lost. Like really lost. And all the arrows we were finding were going different directions. I don't know. I mean, I'm glad we tried it. I know I'm not a good navigator like I thought it was.
Tell them to bring a drone, just in case.
You can't bring a drone, it's illegal.
But
that would be helpful. But I heard there's an app for this.
Yeah.
So have that, I guess.
Ready to shower?